Welcome back to the Museum Science program. This is Kitchen Sink Science, and we're going to think about what are we going to do next.
I don't know. What are we going to do today, Todd?
Well, since it's kitchen sink, we have to take a look around. What we've got is some baking soda, and we have some vinegar. And a lot of people have seen this, and we're going to try to do something a little bit different with this. So we've taken the baking soda and put in about 1/3 of a cup into this. Okay, so we said we were going to do a volcano. So how do we make a volcano? The first thing we do is we add about 1/3 cup of baking soda. And this is you can get that right at the store. Then Sue, I'm going to have you make sure that it has some color. It isn't just white. It needs to be some sort of color.
Let's use green.
Let's use green. I like that.
And I'll put some green food coloring right on top of the soda and maybe just around the edges a little bit, just in case it really wants to make a beautiful design.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Now, for the premier thing, there you go. There's the vinegar. And this vinegar isn't special. It's what you can buy right at the grocery store.
And we're going to add the two, and the reaction between the two is going to be spectacular. Let's see.
And what's really important, Sue has her glasses on. Pour a little fast. Yeah, there you go. Look at that.
Cool.
So, Sue's got her glasses on for eye protection in case you do this. Is always something good. Sunglasses will work, regular glasses. Do I think it's a big concern? No, but I think safety always counts. So I would hope that you would try this at home. This is really where the origin of kitchen sink science comes from. Normally, we would do this in the kitchen sink. So the part that overflows goes right down the drain. That's why we have our portable sink right here.
Will it do it again if I put more in?
It might.
Now
excellent.
That's
excellent.
cool. The baking soda is a compound of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. I read this, and this is very cool, Todd. Hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the soda. The carbon and the oxygen separate from the other elements in the soda, and they form a gas called carbon dioxide.
So thanks for tuning in. We like to see that. And try this at home. Have lots of fun with it.